There is a lot of secret in spiritual word. So sometimes when you miss with one thing, you will find yourself that you cannot manage others. So be careful when you're using salt and your life is not clean. I mean, you did not repent and you know what you're doing. Everybody knows what is doing behind the scene. You know yourself who you are when people they're not around you. So don't use salt if you know that you have other things behind the scene or you have other things in your carpet. When you use those, when you have those things and you didn't repent, you don't repent. You just take advantage of everything. Oh, God knows me. Oh, God sees me. Of course, He sees you. Of course, He knows you. But if you don't repent, if you use salt, salt will dry you. That's the meaning of using salt once you are not repenting. God bless you. I don't want to see you suffer. That's why I'm making these videos to teach you. Most of people are using salt. Look at their life after using